Converting.
Converting.
This fall is a little more than I expected. In so deep I can barely see myself. Yeah, around me feels so heavy but depleted. But I find this the place to test myself. 'Cause it's here where I lay in my blanket of despair, where I'm weak but I'm strong and black smoke fills the air, where I'm burned and broken, battered, bruised, I'm blind but I'm seeing. I'm lost and found and almost drowned. I'm so far from believing. Whoa, I'm bleeding but I'm breathing. Whoa, in darkness I find meaning. Whoa, I'm broken but I'm healing. Whoa, I'm bleeding but I'm breathing. I'm burning low but I can see no finish line. My demons tell me I should quit and turn back. The smallest flame can light up the darkest night, but it's not enough to keep them off my track. 'Cause it's here where I lay in my blanket of despair, where I'm weak but I'm strong and black smoke fills the air, where I'm burned and broken, battered, bruised, I'm blind but I'm seeing. I'm lost and found and almost drowned. I'm so far from believing. Whoa, I'm bleeding but I'm breathing.
And with some of the shots that I want to get at Newport at the end of the weekend, I really want to be able to use the gimbal and use it to pitch it upwards. It sucked.
So critical. So fucking critical.
Sunday, I'm flying home tomorrow, and yeah, we got a chance to get a lot of good flying in this week, and I'm actually very, very happy with all of the filming that I got done. Yesterday was fun. We went to Croton Dam, and I was able to recreate a shot that Billy got with the Inspire 2 last year when we were there. This year it was sunny, it was beautiful. It wasn't anything like it was the previous year when we went, so that was pretty cool. Got a chance to meet up with Eddie and CR Darlington. We were in a park last night live streaming and drinking, and that was a lot of fun. Way more fun than I would have thought. I know it doesn't sound fun drinking in a park like a bum, but it's pretty fun. So right now we are at a wildlife refuge. It's a park or something like that. We're not going to be flying here, but we're just outside of the Foxwoods Casino. Like across the street is the Foxwoods Casino. So we went there, gambled a little bit last night, and now we're going to go to Newport Beach and do some more flying, and then I am out the door back to Tampa at 6 in the morning. So Billy's pissed. He's got to bring me to the airport. It's 5 in the morning. All right, guys, let's get some more flights in. Alrighty, that is it. I'm completely spent with flying. Today was awesome. Got a chance to fly Newport, Rhode Island, which is really fun. A lot of cliffs, a lot of scenery, obviously a lot of boats, you can see. Lots of boats, a lot of water, so a lot of risk involved when you're flying FPV. I did finally fly the Mavic 2 Pro. I was able to downgrade the software, like I said previously about the smart controller. It was giving me a bunch of issues, so downgraded that. And today it worked flawlessly. I didn't have any disconnects, no issues, so I was at least able to salvage the trip. I burned through 5 different batteries and I think 5 or 6 packs for the FPV. I flew a lot of FPV this trip, so I know some of you guys aren't into FPV, but I wasn't flying like freestyle. I was flying more, I guess, cinematically. So, because that to me is more enjoyable. Some reason too, the GoPro Hero 9 kept screwing up a lot of clips. It was filming it in portrait. Hopefully I got that fixed for future flights. But yeah, I am super, super tired. We're, like I said, it's like 5:30. We're in Newport, Rhode Island, and we got to get to Philadelphia because my flight leaves at 6:55 in the morning. So I'm probably not going to sleep tonight at all. Really, really tired, and I have 2 shoots to do in the morning. Plus, I still got to get back to work. So lots to do. Billy and I think, had a good trip. This was a crazy trip. Lots of stuff. So. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Stay original. Yo, Bill.
What's up, dude?
What do we do for like a sequel to this trip, dude? We got to go out west.
Yeah.
We got to go out west now. I'm thinking
Alaska.
Alaska, the great frontier. Good times, Bill. Good times. Bye, Rhode Island. I leave you, but my heart will always be with you.